What is going on, guys? This is a huge milestone for us. 2,000 people have subscribed to the channel, are really engaged in getting on top of their hair loss, talking about hair systems, becoming better men. Now, this just absolutely blows my mind that we have gotten to this point already. 9 months ago, pretty much I got my first hair system, and I felt this compelling voice inside of me say that I needed to share this with the world. Something said to me that there was so little content out there, there was so little out there to help a man move forward and get a hair system, take care of something that maybe he was not able to really circumvent or avoid or get on top of unless he took some action. And I made this channel to hopefully help each and every single one of you that are watching now and those that will be watching in the future. 2,000 people. That just blows my mind. 9 months ago, it was just me in front of a camera. And now, you guys have constantly shown up, engaged with community, commented on videos, helped each other out, also grown as men as I grow, which is just, it's amazing. It's amazing, and I don't have all the words for it. This started as an experiment. It started as something that I didn't really know if it was going to succeed. I just heard something inside me tell me that I needed to do it, and it's really developed inside of me a lot of faith. It's developed inside of me a lot of this desire to listen to my intuition as far as what I need to do to best help other people. And I certainly hope, no, I know for a fact that this channel has helped a lot of people. Even if you haven't directly reached out to me, hundreds and hundreds of men have reached out saying how much this content has changed their life. It's given them a chance to feel as if they can be their best selves and actually overcome a problem that they didn't know that they could overcome. And to me, that means the world to me, but I want to make sure that you realize that you're a part of this. Every time that you watch this video or another video, every single time you like, every single time you comment, every single time you subscribe, you are making it more possible to pay it forward. These are small actions that you may not think have an effect, but they really, really do. The YouTube algorithm rewards all of that behavior that you guys do by showing these videos to more people. That's how we grow, is by you interacting, you staying engaged. If it was just me here on this island talking to a camera, I probably would have just quit because I wasn't helping anybody. But because you guys are engaging, because you're showing up, we are helping people. We are changing the conversation. We are destigmatizing hair loss. And you might have heard over the past maybe like 3 months especially, I've really started honing into that message about destigmatizing hair loss and talking about it a lot more, and also having that conversation with people that come on the channel about that destigmatization, about what it's done for them, about what it's allowed them to go and do and go and be, and have those conversations with people who may not have had that conversation before. And that leads me into this next point that I kind of want to talk about inside of this video, and that's what the future looks like for us, and what I really, really hope happens in the future. Now, this is going to be a absolutely vulnerable thing for me to say. This is something I'm actually scared to put out in the open. I've had it laid on my heart. I've had it spoken to me that a couple things are going to happen in the future with me, but this channel, the whole conversation about destigmatizing hair loss. And I'm going to put them out in the air for you to hold me accountable and for you to be a part of this journey and know where we're going. So number one, The first goal that I really want to achieve is hit 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And I know that is something that's possible. It's taken us 9 months to get 2,000 subscribers. It's not going to look like that over the next year. To get another 2,000 subscribers, we'll probably put that on in a couple months. As long as we keep on staying engaged, as long as we keep on having conversations, and I will do my part. So hitting 100,000 subscribers, that's probably going to take a couple years, guys. It's probably, unless something goes absolutely viral that I make, it's probably going to take some time. Number 2. And this is a even bigger and more audacious goal, and that's to find a way to get every single one of you all of the products, all of the accessories, all of the hair systems that you guys need at the highest level quality. And I don't know what that looks like. I'm not saying I'm going out and starting my own line. I'm not saying that I'm going to officially partner with a particular company to do this. But what I do know is that I really, really, really want to help the market have the best product possible and push forward the innovation and the quality of each individual thing that a person has relating to hair systems and hair loss. So what does that look like? Hair systems that are more acclimated for what people want instead of just stock units that are not serving your best interest. It's having a list of preferred vendors, right? Of stylists, of people that you can go and trust, and that I give you my word, if that makes sense, but like people that I've gone out and validated, that have the heart of a teacher, that really have your best interest at heart. Number 3, it also means having all of the products that you want in a repository, something that you can easily say, okay, these are the things that I need for me. Here's the things that Jake has recommended, and here's the things that will carry me forward in my journal. Something super easy, super lightweight for you to just be like, boom, I got this, I can handle it. I don't need to spend 17 hours researching it. That's what I've done, and it's a long time consuming process. I spend way too much time probably thinking about hair loss and destigmatizing hair loss and hair systems and all that kind of stuff. Number 3, this is, the last goal, and if the one before that wasn't big enough or audacious enough, this is a monster one. And I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't even know how it's going to happen. And years ago, I would have never said something out loud like this. I don't even think I would have thought it's possible. But I'm gonna trust my soul and my spirit and things just happening. And that is that I want to be on the cover of GQ magazine or Men's Health. And on the cover, I wanted to say destigmatizing hair loss. And I want the story about me talking about how we have a chance to fix something that men are very, very insecure about, something that isn't talked about, and really give men a second chance, that they can go out and live their best lives, that they can go out and feel whole and feel as if they don't have any insecurities, and destigmatize the whole conversation about hair loss and hair systems, not just hair systems, and what men can look like. I don't think there's ever been a model that has openly talked about wearing hair systems, that has talked about hair loss in such a profound way. And I really want to lead that charge. I want to be in front of a national audience and discuss what this means and how the conversation is changing. I don't know how that's going to happen. It's scary to even think about. I don't get anxiety because I actually know in my heart that it's going to happen. I don't know how, but I know it's bound to happen, but it's huge and monstrous. And if I think about how it's going to happen, then I start getting a little anxious because I have no idea. So yeah, that's a big one, guys. And then number 4, this is the 4th one. I really want to start engaging with the hair loss community on a whole like macro level. I would really love to start speaking at conferences. I'd love to start speaking on a public stage. I'd love to start speaking about this issue more and move towards building that conversation on a national level. And also working with men. That's probably number 5. Working with men, yes, 1 on hair systems and style, but 2, confidence, personal development, walking with them on their spiritual journey, things like that. I don't even know what that exactly looks like. If that resonates with you, hey, reach out to me. Let's have a conversation and figure that out. But I've always known, even before I got involved in hair loss, the hair system community, that I was going to help impact specifically men's lives to a greater degree. Help them become emotionally, spiritually, psychologically healthier. That way they can go out and be their best selves and absolutely rock it in the real world. And I believe that hair systems is an entry point. So yeah, guys, this whole video is really about thanking you, number 1, but casting vision forward, letting you know what I see and what I believe that we can achieve if you will reciprocate and help me in that journey. If you just want to watch videos, that's great. Maybe I'll suggest hitting the like button. If you're already doing that, maybe I suggest commenting. If you're already commenting and stuff, reach out to me. Let's figure out a way that we can start snowballing some of these efforts together and really get the ball moving. I appreciate you all. I appreciate where we're going, where we've been, and I have no plans of stopping. I only have plans of speeding up. Anyways, guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell below, and we will see you soon.